Hey subscribers, what's going on? Today I have a video talking about Tesla and other FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. So as many of you know, Tesla has been dropping significantly in price, and I actually meant to upload this video yesterday, uh, but I ended up posting it today. So Tesla stock, as you know, has been dropping a lot, and actually recently today it went up by around 7 to 8%. Here I'm showing you yesterday where it was like at an all-time low. The price has been significantly going down for a while now, and the good thing about me is that I did not have any shares in Tesla at all, so I was just waiting and waiting and waiting for the perfect moment to buy the stock until it begins to reverse. And I think we might be at the point where it might start forming an uptrending pattern from a strong negative down facing pattern, as you see there. But when it comes down to swing trading, which is actually my specialty, is you have to be very patient. You don't want to get in at the wrong time. So unless the stock confirms an actual reversal, I would not go into the stock. But I definitely see the value of buying now because it is very cheap compared to its all-time highs, and due to the fundamentals and futuristic approach that Tesla has to change the future, I definitely see the stock maybe like 8 times itself, the price that it is right now. It has a lot of potential. It could. And this reminds me of when Amazon or Facebook kind of started. They received a lot of hate, and that's what Tesla has been going through. Usually, when a company disrupts an industry or makes changes, significant changes that change everything completely, they get a lot of hate because they start to change the norms. But as you know, usually these type of companies end up being very successful in the long term. And right now we're at the beginner stage for Tesla. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But this is a stock that I have been paying really close attention to. The more it drops, the more attractive the stock is for me. And it's great that I don't really have a position in it yet. So that way I'm waiting for the perfect moment. And I want you guys to let me know if you guys have shares in Tesla at the moment. If not, then are you planning on buying it anytime soon? Do you see a long-term future for this stock? But also, I did want to talk about different FANG stocks. I had posted a video a while ago on why you should sell all your stocks. And actually, if you had sold when I had mentioned that, you would have prevented significant losses from the market overall. As you see, many big stocks were affected. Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, all of these have been starting to downtrend just like Tesla. And this has to do with the market conditions. Due to the China trade war, also Trump is imposing tariffs on Mexico on importing vehicles and other things. And also they're having some conflicts with Great Britain, issues with other countries. It seems like there's a lot of political country affair politic stuff going on, and this is affecting them. Also, big companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon are having problems with the law and constitution rights. Since we never had any issues with consumer privacy, well, we have had them, but it hasn't been brought to the attention as it is now. So the point I'm making with this big stocks like Facebook, Google, is that and Amazon, they're all at low attractive prices. Usually I love swing trading stocks. That's one of my specialty, like I said. So I take advantage of stocks that are price lower. And I can tell you for sure that FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, anytime they're at a low or they have dropped significantly in price, I would always 100% buy into them. Because if you look at the 5-year chart and the max chart of any of these FANG stocks, they're all uptrending. They're very, very good stocks. And you have no idea how many times I have profited from buying stocks at a cheap price and selling it higher. And FANG stocks usually never fail you because these are dominant companies in their industry. No others have this type of success as these two. So I would highly encourage you all to begin swing trading. And FANG stocks are a great way to start because basically there's no way to fail in these. Like there, you can basically buy Amazon stock for $300 less. A great company to buy into when it's at a cheap price. And if you want more videos, any type of videos that you're interested in from me, please let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to make content that you guys enjoy. So let me know what type of videos you would enjoy. And like I said, this was recorded yesterday, so the prices are a little bit different today. And I am going to talk about Tesla and what it did today, which was very impressive. It went up 7 to 8% in one day. That is a very dramatic price increase for one day. Usually stocks don't do this, and it's not even their earnings right now. And what I did was because I was seeing signs of a reversal, and even though it hasn't 100% fully confirmed it, as long as you don't buy heavy, you should be fine. Like I literally just bought one share to get my foot in the door in Tesla stock, so I am officially a Tesla shareholder now. I own one share of it, and I actually am up like $1.30. I think it's like 3% up in my position just in one day. So I bought in a good time, but we'll see tomorrow and how it continues to go. If it continues to drop, then that's no problem for me. It's actually better because I can get a cheaper price when I do decide to buy more shares. But if you ever swing trade, I'd highly recommend you use Robinhood because they won't charge you any commission, and you can literally just buy one share so that you're more sure of a proper reversal, and you don't just buy $100 stocks right off the bat and the stock continues to go down. So that's why I literally just buy one share a day or one share a week, one share a month, depending on how fast it begins to trend upward or how slow it does. And this was Apple. As you see, it dropped significantly. This type of stocks will never fail you. They're very strong and they always have a linear upward trending pattern, and they're max in 5-year chart. Alright, so now I'm going to show you Tesla today. Like I said, 8%, I think it says. That's insane. If you had all your money in that day in Tesla, you would have made a lot. But that's way too risky. There's no way you would have known this would happen. So that was just one day. You'll see on the week chart how it looks. A very significant price increase in a very short time. Tesla's one of those weird stocks that would do this. Not that many would do this at all. And Tesla has tremendous potential, especially just by their self-driving cars. That alone is a big factor that can contribute to Tesla's success. There you see a month chart. You definitely see the point of reversal right there on the bottom. But like I said, this was just one day. It could continue going lower. That's why I only bought one share. You just kind of have to keep on watching it. And you should be able to make a lot of money in Tesla if you buy slowly, begin building your shares in Tesla stock as long as it continues to confirm an upward trending pattern, because you want your money to grow, not to go down. So you shouldn't invest in the stock if the pattern is showing a strong downward negative pattern, unless it begins to break that pattern, which it just did it by one day, and that's not enough of a reason why you should go all in Tesla. Unless you're in it for the long term, and like a really long term, and this doesn't really matter. The price you get in right now doesn't really matter. But if you're like me and you're just trying to make money, trying to make profits here and there, then this is very important for you. There you see sort of its resistance at those prices, 181. So that's kind of its support. Right now it's at 194. So as long as it doesn't go below 181, then that's enough of a resistance that it has. As you see there, I began my 1 share position in Tesla. Alright, so let me know. Very interesting. The stock market is at a very interesting point right now. A lot of news, a lot of stuff going on, a lot of action. Let me know what you guys think. Also, feel free to subscribe to this growing YouTube channel. We're so close to 100 subscribers. I'm very excited for us to reach this goal. Like I said, let me know if you enjoy this content, what type of content you would like for me to create for you. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.